So for nearly 40 years, this car's been loved for two reasons. It's reliable and simple. That's about to change. The legendary Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series has been around since 1984 and has built its reputation on rugged reliability. No complicated systems, no unnecessary tech, just a diesel that keeps going. That's exactly why these are so popular with tradies, fleets, and regional buyers. But now, for the first time in its history, the Land Cruiser 70 series will require AdBlue. AdBlue is a diesel exhaust fluid that reduces emissions by treating the exhaust gases before they leave the vehicle. It's not new technology, but it is new for the 70 series, and that makes this one of the biggest mechanical changes this model has ever seen. Older 70 series could run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers on diesel alone. These new models will need AdBlue to be refilled every 8 to 10,000 kilometers. And if the AdBlue system isn't maintained properly, the vehicle can actually stop you from starting completely. For owners that are used to a very simple maintenance routine, that's a big change. Adding AdBlue means adding another consumable, more frequent checks, and more training, which could influence buyers and fleets for choosing their next vehicle moving forward. We've already seen what happens when Land Cruisers move towards more complex, emission-focused engines. Older, simpler models often become more desirable, not less. Because of that, non-AdBlue 70 series could become increasingly sought after, especially for buyers who appreciate long-term simplicity. Land Cruiser 70 series isn't disappearing, it's evolving. AdBlue helps it meet modern emission standards whilst keeping it on sale in Australia. But it also marks a clear turning point. For nearly 4 decades, the 70 series was defined by simplicity, a vehicle you could rely on in tough conditions with minimal fuss. So if reliability, ease of maintenance, long-term durability is what you value the most, the 70 series could not just be a workhorse, but a very smart buy.